Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Today is my birthday. It is August 7th, and I'm about to go and record my EP, Sunchild. This is my first song I've ever recorded and produced. I made the beat myself as well, and I am just super proud of it. The intention of the song is basically to speak to all the generations of the Sun Children and to basically sing a song of a remembrance, of a celebration, and of an uprising. So I hope you all enjoy the song. I hope you take some time to listen to it. I'm super excited to lay it down. I've had it on my heart for almost a full year now, but I've just been working on my production skills. I'm getting a little bit better at it. So I've been working on that quite a bit, and I'm really excited for the upcoming songs I'm working on as well. But this is just the start of a really big change for me, and I'm really excited to present this to y'all. So I hope y'all love it. Please let me know your thoughts, and I will see you very soon. Let's go. Sunchild.